tired eyes can instantly make us look less rested than we feel and get older as we get older. Piling on more concealer,
gosh.
not the answer, man.
It gets all cracky and all bleh. Beauty and lifestyle expert Mickey Williams is here with Under Eye Rescue, showing us how the right skincare and makeup can make the eyes look smoother, brighter, and more awake without a lot of product. That's the problem, is it cracks.
Yeah, but I mean, you know why that happens? It's not just because we get older. It's because you smile all the time. So we don't want to forfeit that,
That's
right?
true, very true.
Okay. Things have really changed, like, as we do get older, and you're a spring chicken, baby. We're not talking about you.
Jeanette.
But as we do get older, you know, it does right into the crow's feet. I mean, you could have crow's feet at 25 years old, right?
Okay.
It's just that the polymers are really changing in concealers, and we're finding a lot of flex products right now. But the first most important thing that you can do before you put on makeup is actually, Jeanette just asked me a really good question, is you want to make sure that there's a really good eye cream, like a nice base. And eye creams aren't all the same either. You want it to be able to kind of, when you put your eye cream on, you want it to really go in and absorb into it so we get all those maximum benefits from it, right? But you also want it to leave a hydrating, almost like dewy layer that will adhere, your concealer will adhere to on top.
Because you don't want to make it a pill on top of it, but you want it to be able to stick to it, right?
Exactly. And pilling is a really thing. All that is just a cross kind of like fibers and different kinds of products where you will see that.
Yeah.
So I'm obsessed with this eye cream. This is, I mean, I know we all are obsessed with this eye cream. This is Definage's.
Oh, yeah.
This is their 3D Eye Radiance Cream. First of all, I'm obsessed with the top because you really don't have to touch it. Now, I'm going to touch it because I like to press the concealer in today. But all you do is you get this. This stuff is such an incredible product. Okay?
And that way you get the right amount.
Yes, and you get a little dew. We're going to do a little dew right there, right underneath Jeanette's eyes. We got a little bit more over here.
That almost looks like a little bit much, but you're spreading it out. So.
Yeah, I'm spreading it out. Now I am going to use my. What I love about this is they've done like 5 clinical studies on it. It works on puffiness, darkness, but it actually has these really great. Great short-term benefits because what it does is it creates this gorgeous little cushion underneath the eye. And I like to pull everything out. Now, I'm not going to go into all the lymphatic drainage that I do underneath the eyes as a makeup artist, but you really do want to give it a little bit of a massage. Some people like to tap it in. I just like it. And you'll see, like, within seconds, it absorbs, but it also still leaves that little moisturizing
little
layer.
bit of a dew
Yeah,
there.
look at that. Nice
It
little
feels
glow.
so good, right?
You does. Dewy glow.
It feels like.
I love this eye cream so much. It's so good. Okay. The next thing that you want to do is you want to find a concealer, and not all concealers are the same, obviously. And when you're getting older, you don't want to find the pots or the sticks or all the things that are very, very concentrated with pigment. That pigment is going to highlight. Another quick thing that I wanted to say too is you asked me a very important question right before we started. Do you want to ask again?
Foundation first or concealer?
Now, I think this is a big thing because I like to do my eyes first, then I put a layer of a skin tint on, and then afterwards what I do is I like to go in and correct and target with my concealer. So everybody will tell you, if you go to YouTube, they'll tell you make a triangle under your eyes, make a big, huge swoop underneath your eyes. Not everybody is the same. Jeanette right here has what we call a hollow out, right? I have that too. Some people only have divots that go straight down. That doesn't change with your age necessarily. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the Yummy Skin. This is by Danessa Merrick's. This is the makeup artist, Yummy Skin. This is the Lift and Flex Concealer. We tested so many concealers, and this was a beautiful product because it had a flexibility to it, to where it would move with you. It had a matte finish. And
do you want to match your color to your skin color, or do you want to go shade lighter?
I want you to get as close as possible to your skin, to your skin tone as possible. And if you have a color that's a little bit darker, oranger, or a little bit lighter, go with the lighter product, okay? Now, I love this product. It really and truly just takes a dot or two. We're going to go right there into that little groove, and I'm going to show you. Now, normally, I would take my finger if it was myself and just, but I'm going to be professional. I'm going to be a professional here, and I'm going to use a brush, and we're going to go in, and we're going to show you. We're just going to kind of lightly sweep it into where the groove is on her eye. I added a little bit of yellowness to this because you can see her face is a little bit darker than her chest. So her foundation that she's wearing right now is matching that. And what I'm going to do is make sure that I get into that inner corner.
Yeah.
I'm going to go right here. And don't stop with your concealer just underneath your eyes. I know this segment is about that, but what I like to do, and the reason why I say I like to do it after, now turn to the camera and you can see.
Keep Turning that way.
Runway.
There you go.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
That looks
Jeanette,
great.
look at you.
It really pops up. Now I would take her blush and add a little bit higher, but you see why concealer really goes on after the foundation and before the blush and all of these things. And now we could go ahead and we're not going to leave her with just one eye, right? So we're gonna come
But
right
that
here.
was amazing. I mean, but for dramatic effect, that was just like almost night and day.
Boom.
Yeah.
And then one thing that I want to say is I like this concealer too because it dries matte and you don't necessarily have to powder, but a lot of people like to powder over it because they have, maybe, they do like to use a little bit more of an emollient kind of eye cream or something along those lines. If you have to, you want to do it in a very fanned out powdery brush.
Very fanned out. All right, this is fantastic. Hey, for more information, visit sharetheglam.com and follow Mickey on Instagram at MWMakeup. Great tips, Mickey.